Hey guys, it's Charlie. Welcome to my channel, Charlie TV. Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach my daughter Haitian Creole. Hey, after this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Please listen. Today I'm gonna teach my daughter how to say food, sit down, door, sink, mirror, school, and more in Creole. Hey, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
The Caribbean and the globe, and their stories that deserve to be heard. Join in daily and stay with us on Charlie TV, where every moment comes alive.
Alright guys, now meet my daughter, Bria.
Hi everyone, my name is Bria Chang. Shita.
Shita is, what Shita mean again?
Shita.
Yeah, what Shita mean?
Huh?
What Shita mean?
Sit down.
Sit down. So Shita means sit down. Shita means sit down. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you something. Vous mangez déjà? Vous mangez déjà?
Oui.
Oui. Oui.
I know what you said. You said, did you eat today?
Yeah, you got it right. That's right. That's right. You got it. You learned your lesson. Okay. Yes mean?
Oui.
Yeah, you got it, baby. That's my girl. That's my baby right here. Okay. So today I'm gonna teach you another word. You know how to say door in Creole?
No.
Pot.
Pot.
Pot. Yeah.
Dog?
Yeah, this door is a pot. 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 Pot.
This is a pot.
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 Pot. It's like it sounds like you're saying pot.
No, pot.
Kind of. But it's pot.
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 Mhm. Okay, do you know how to say school in Creole?
No.
L'école. Say l'école.
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 No. L'école.
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 L'école. So, if I ask you, did you go to school in Creole? Will you be able to answer me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ou t'es allé l'école hier?
Yeah.
No, you say oui.
Oui.
Oui. That means, did you go to school yesterday? Ou t'es allé l'école hier?
Oui.
Oui.
I know what you were saying already.
Yeah. Ou t'es allé l'école hier?
Oui.
Oui. Okay. See, that's good. That's my girl. Yep. Okay. So, what else you want to know in Creole?
Window and no.
Window.
And
In miroir?
where?
Miroir. Okay. Window is fenêtre.
Fenêtre.
Fenêtre. Window.
Fenêtre.
Window is fenêtre.
This is a fenêtre.
Fenêtre. Yeah, fenêtre.
And this is a mirror.
Miroirs. Miroir. Miroir in Creole is a miroir in Creole as well.
Mirror.
But you can say in Creole glass. Glass. Yeah. Glass. It's a glass. It's a glass.
Glass. This is
Yeah,
the
mirror.
glass.
Yes,
This is the
mirror.
mirror. This is the glacky
But you say miroir too
glass.
in Creole. Okay? So the same thing.
And
Okay? Alright, so this is
mouthwash and sink.
the sink. Lavabo.
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 Yeah, lavabo.
Lavabo.
Lavabo. The
Lavabo.
sink, it's lavabo in Creole.
Lavabo.
Lavabo. Well,
Lavabo.
we stop today.
Now this.
Um,
This is a lavabo.
yeah.
A lavabo.
Ça son rince-bouche.
Huh?
Rince-bouche.
Rinse. Rinse.
Bouche. Rinse.
Rinse.
Mean rinse. Bouche is mouth. Mouth.
I got a mouth. I got a roof.
Bouche.
Bush. I
Bush.
got a whoosh.
Bouche.
I got a whoosh.
Alright, we stop. It's all for today. So, let me review. How to say mouth in Creole?
Bush.
Bush. And the sink?
Lavabouche.
Lavabo. Not lavabouche, lavabo. Lavabo. And door?
Bush.
No. Pot.
What?
Pot.
I can't forget it.
Pot. Fenêtre? Window?
Fenêtre.
Fenêtre. Ah, you're smart. I just say. And sit down? Okay, sit down.
Let me think. Shite?
Shita.
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 That was close.
Yeah, that was close. Shita. And then food?
Manger.
Manger. Okay. So, t'es mangé matin?
Oui.
Oui. Okay, good. That's good. All right. Thank you so much. That's my
Bye,
turn.
everyone.
All right, guys. I hope you guys learned something today in Creole. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know how was Kreyòl performance. All right. So see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, it's me, Kreyòl, and today I'm gonna do a fashion show. You're gonna judge how do I do. Good, bad, and fantastic. So you guys are gonna see my fancy dance and throwing money, and you guys can get any doll you want. Only you can't take all of it, because one of the people wants some money too. So, bye. $3 or $2 or $1. Only that. Hey, you guys ready to see some money thrown? Yeah! Money, 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 money. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 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 hey.
Stop.
Bing. Hey!
You good?